What is going on, YouTubers, detailers, and do-it-yourselfers? Today we're going to talk a little bit about headlight restoration. You're going to want to start with a clean surface. So we're going to use O&R in a spray bottle with a couple of microfiber towels to clean the surface. The next step is going to be to clay your headlight. This is going to remove some contaminants and is usually a pretty good thing to do before you do any kind of polishing. Here I'm going to be using the Takavu clay system. As always, there will be links in the description below that will take you directly to these products. Getting into our first wet sanding step, we're going to be starting off with 1500 grit and a soft sanding block. Use your O&R spray bottle to wet the surface of the headlight and begin sanding. Now you're going to want to do a really good job here, so take your time and move in multiple directions. Also, don't forget to clean off your sanding pad. The slurry will build up eventually and it will reduce the effectiveness of the sandpaper. Just spray it off or dunk it in a bucket. For your 2000 and then 3000 grit, all the rules are going to be the same. Just make sure that you get very even coverage and move in multiple directions. For our first polishing step, I'm using my Roops 3-inch polisher with a Lake Country microfiber cutting pad. Along with that, I'm going to be using Just Cars Correction Compound, which I find does a pretty good job here. There are probably a lot of other polishes that you could use, like Meguiar's 100 or 105. Just my personal preference. The last polish step is simply going to be the same machine with a Lake Country orange HDO pad and perfect finish. Now this is going to really just gloss up your headlight and remove any remaining haze or marring from your cut step. As always, my name is Santi from FNS Auto Coatings. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave us a comment and tell us what you would like to see next. Peace.